Have a new update, but it's a literally long. It's a literally long right now. Like right now. It's a literally long. So let's go to Partik.
Sabaw?
Yeah.
Pati karne?
Yeah. No na! Partik lang. Partik.
Pork nga.
Pork steak lang.
Sabaw?
Yeah. Tsaka pork steak.
Baliw ka ba?
Let's go.
Ito pinapaklan yung barbecue kanina umaga pa.
Nag-pray na ako. Wait.
Pinapaklan. Lado ka sa kanin.
What should I do? This one's the thing.
Tulog tayo, Beth.
No.
Kasi, maglalaba ako mamaya.
Yoko.
Buting na tito.
It's a literally the same as here. What happened here? It's floating. It's literally floating. Let's reset it, guys. Okay, let's go. We're back. I literally reset.
Dahil magkakasapot niya sa tito.
Wala na. Baka malunok ko.
Wala na.
This Toka Boca update from. What's that? Okay. Good. I also need a couch to sit in here. Why did it? Guys, I promise in my life I did not slow down. The game just slowed down. Yeah.
Ano sabi nila?
Yeah.
Ano sabi nila?
Ano? Ilang ka naman.
Nagbablog ako. So guys,
Ano magbasahan pa?
let's go.
Hindi na siya
Next.
Hindi na siya instructor kaya nagbabasa doon. Ito ay ikaw na nagbabasa ng instruction. Perfect sa math yan pa.
We also need this. So next, we need the cashier.
Kumala sa daddy niya.
I mean, we can have a mini Target here. Okay, mini Target. Also, this is the big. Okay, that's not the Target. Here's the Target.
Kaninang bloodline? Tayo? Kaninang bloodline?
Okay. We also have, guys. No, we don't need it.
Dapat bago sa ikasali, ano namin yung PBS. Ang sinasabi niya, sa akin, Bausi.
Okay, go this.
Ano daw sa Bausi? Para daw magkaroon na sa question.
Let me just close this up. Now we also need a toy. Wait, what toy should we add? No, I cannot decide.
Kain ka pa? Mamaya kain tayo ulit ah.
No.
Hindi. Huwag lang ano mo eh. Malit na manok yan yun.
Chicken.
Wow. That's cute. Next, we need a shelter. Shelters. Oh, this is the pink shelter. We need that. Good. That's all. We can also have the picture. Here's the picture frames. Wait, I throw up. I did throw up. Oh my god. Okay, now we have these shelters. Okay, good. These, and these. Last one, these, even this. Oh, I also need this. Oh my god, why did you go here? Oh my god. It's literally one step ahead. Good. Comment for part 3 for the last. Guys, I'm being honest. I'm gonna go with a part 3. Comment part 3 if you want me to decorate the last shelters. Guys, thank you. Bye. Also, I'm gonna have a tour from. Let's have a tour from the lock things. Oh my god. Wait. This is the first lock thing. The mall. The mall. This bank. This one. This one. And this one. And also this house, this one. You literally see what's locked. So let's just have a tour. This is all locked, the new things. I love this. It's all over the world. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye. I hope you enjoy that video.